If your bird impressions sound like a mixtape, you're a lyrebird. The lyrebird is a master of mimicry, and it all starts from a tiny egg. After hatching, these little feathered wonders grow up in the dense forests of Australia. By the time they reach adulthood, lyrebirds can imitate almost any sound they hear. Chainsaws, car alarms, even human voices. So why do they mimic? For survival and love. Their mimicry helps them blend into their environment and attract mates, showcasing their impressive vocal range. It's like having nature's ultimate soundboard. Isn't it amazing how these birds use sound to navigate their world? Next time you hear a strange noise in the forest, it might just be a lyrebird showing off its skills. Keep an ear out and stay curious.